kindergarten friends. Miss Ingram here. Today we're going to listen to a story. It is called Too Many Toys by David Shannon, and we are going to watch and listen to it on a website called Vooks. Your parents can get on this if you would like to watch and listen to some of your favorite stories. All right, let's take a listen.
Too many toys! Spencer had too many toys. They covered the floor of his bedroom and piled up in his closet. They were stashed under his bed. They spilled down the stairs and into the living room. He had big toys in the backyard. And little toys in the bathtub. Sometimes, Spencer played with nice, quiet wooden pull toys. Other times, he played with noisy, crazy electronic toys. He had puzzles, board games, and talking books that fueled his mind. And loud, jumpy, frenzied video games that didn't. Spencer liked to make his toys into a parade that stretched from one corner of the house to the other and back again. There was an entire zoo of stuffed animals and a gigantic army of little action figures. He had a fleet of planes, trains, and toy boats, and a convoy of miniature trucks and cars. He also had lots and lots of musical instruments, art supplies, and alien spaceman weapons. Everyone gave toys to Spencer. Of course, his mom and dad did, but so did Grandma Bobo, and Poppy, and Granddaddy, and Auntie Mim, and Uncle Fred, and Cousin Drew. They gave him toys for every holiday, even the 4th of July. And his birthday.
Happy birthday, Spencer!
He also got toys from all his friends on his birthday. And on their birthdays, too, when he went to their parties. He got toys at the drive-thru with his kid burger. And at school for having lots of peace person points. And at the dentist and the doctor when he didn't squirm. That's a lot of toys! They were becoming a household hazard. Have you ever stepped on a Lego piece in your bare feet? Or a jack? Well, it really hurts. Especially if you weigh as much as Spencer's dad. You can also trip on things, like railroad tracks and race cars, if you're carrying a load of laundry. One day, Spencer's mom had it up to here with all the toys. Spencer! She yelled on her way upstairs. You have too many toys! That's impossible, thought Spencer. Then she said, we're going to get rid of some of them. That's a catastrophe! Pick out which toys you don't want, she ordered, and put them in this box. But I love them all, Spencer cried. All right, his mother said. I'll help you. She picked up an alien space ninja. How about this one? You haven't played with this in years. But I was just about to. Spencer, his mother said, it doesn't have a head. I'm making him a new one, Spencer replied. Fine, said Spencer's mother, but this can definitely go. She put down the alien and picked up a filthy, one-eared bunny. Not Mr. Fluffers! Mom, how could you? This one then, she said. Oh, that's Mr. Fluffers' best friend. This one? Mother, have you forgotten? Grandma Bobo gave me that on my 4th birthday. And I'll never be 4 again. Ever! Oh, please, Spencer, said his mom, rolling her eyes. Don't be so dramatic. Okay, she said, you can keep that one. But I'm giving away this pig and the Johnny Choo Choo. Tell you what, countered Spencer. I'll let you have the pig, but I get Johnny Choo Choo. What are you, a lawyer now? Asked Spencer's mother. You can keep Johnny Choo Choo, but the cow goes in the box too. Deal? How about 2 Gitchy Goomies instead, said Spencer. And I'll throw in a little peeper of your choice. How about all of them go in the box, or you don't watch TV for a week? Spencer decided it was in his best interest to agree. Deal. Finally, some toys in the box, sighed Spencer's mom. I had no idea this would be so much work. She plopped down on the floor next to an egg-shaped pirate that bellowed, "Arr! Avast, ye scurvy dog! Avast, our scurvy dog! Here's another one you can do without," she said. No problem, said Spencer. His mom nearly fell over. What? You're gonna give it up just like that? Sure, Spencer replied. That's Dad's. So Spencer and his mom went through every toy box and looked in every closet and under every bed until they had haggled and wrestled and argued over every toy in the entire house. Finally, they were finished, and his mom had a cup of hot tea and a short rest. Then she went upstairs to begin loading the toys into the car. But instead of a nice, neat box of toys all ready to go, she saw a big, messy pile of toys all over the floor. Spencer, she screamed, what have you done? We had a deal! You were right, Mom, Spencer called from his bedroom. I do have too many toys, but we can't give away this box. It's the best toy ever! Woo-hoo!
All right, guys, so that story about David and his toys I thought was pretty funny, and I know that you're at home, so a great idea that you could do is to go in your room and look at what toys you have, and then you could use some of the toys in your room to do some addition or subtraction sentences. So you could get some paper and pencil out. If you want to do that, just pause the video and then come back. All right, friends, hopefully you were able to get some paper and pencil, and we are going to pretend that Miss Ingram has some toy ducks and toy letter blocks. So again, I want you to be thinking about what kinds of toys that you have in your room that you can make parts of, groups of, and then use those toys to do number bonds and addition sentences, or even subtraction sentences. You could make a group and separate those. All right, so we're going to do an addition sentence with what I have drawn. I've drawn 2 toy ducks and some letter blocks. So let's go ahead and do a number bond first. Remember, our number bonds show us the parts and whole. So here, how many ducks do I have? 2. And how many letter blocks? 3. Now, you remember the strategy that Miss Ingram loves to use to keep check of how many she has all together. Count and check, you're right. Help me count and check these so that I do not miss any. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is my whole. I have 5 toys. 2 ducks, 3 blocks. We put them together. It makes our whole of 5. I can also use this to write my addition sentence. So I have 2 ducks. So I'll write 2 plus 3 letter blocks equals, how many toys did I have all together? 5. Good. So 2 and 3 together are the same value as 5. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day today. Make sure that you get some paper and pencil and go into your room and see what kind of toys you can use to draw them and write some number bonds and addition sentences. All right, bye.